So this is what you need to make a delicious, yummy lentil soup. You need 2 carrots, 2 potatoes, 2 sweet chiles, 1 tomato, leek according to however much you like it, and also cilantro, again, as much as you like. The leek is basically a cousin of the onion, and you can substitute it for onion if you want. You're also gonna need 3/4 a cup of dry lentil. You're gonna need a half a cup of sweet corn. You can use sweet corn that's frozen. You're gonna need 1 whole carton, which is 32 ounces of chicken broth, whatever you like. You're gonna need 1 teaspoon of the chicken bouillon, the red tomato. You're also gonna need garlic. I use minced garlic that already comes in this, and I use about a teaspoon or however much you like. So now what we're gonna do is we're going to cut the vegetables. Once the vegetables are cut, you got your carrot, your potato, your tomato, your sweet chile, your leek, your cilantro, the lentils, the corn, and then the rest of the stuff that we're gonna need. So now we need to move all of this to the Instapot, which you should have put on sauteed, and add 1 tablespoon, one of the big spoons of olive oil. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna add the leek or onions, and then you're gonna add the sweet chile, and you're not gonna add the cilantro until later on. Go ahead, finish it, okay? So then we're gonna stir that until it gets nice, and that's okay, it didn't burn you. You wanna move it? Okay, keep moving it. Keep moving it until it goes all good and grilled. Perfect. Yeah, okay, then you're gonna add the hard carrots in, and go ahead and saute them. So once you have them sauteed, you're gonna add the potatoes to it to saute them. So go ahead and add the potatoes, and then saute them. Also want to add the 1 teaspoon of the minced garlic in there, and you don't want to add that one at the beginning because that one will burn really quickly. So you want to add it for a little bit, and you want to make sure that you move it quickly so that it doesn't burn. And this is gonna really start smelling nice. At this point, you add the 1 teaspoon of the bouillon, and you want to mix it really well and get that going. And you're starting to see that the pot at the bottom is starting to brown a little bit. So at this point, you want to put your red tomatoes. Once you put the red tomatoes, you're going to see that the bottom will start changing the color, and that's okay. That means you're sauteing really well. Once you've done that,
it gets a little
you add the lentils. Go ahead, move it. And you also add your corn, and you move it around. You add them, and now you got this really nice sauteed vegetables with the dry lentils, and the dry lentils are picking up the bottom of the pot, all the nice stuff that you had browned. And then the last step in our soup, so you add the 32 ounces of the chicken broth, and you move it around so that you
basically pour the whole thing in.
Yes, the whole thing.
And then
you just move it around. Once you've done that, you are ready to do the 20 minutes of the Instapot. After you have added everything and you're ready to cook it, is you're gonna add your cilantro into the pot. So then you just move it like that.
Basically, be careful. It will be hot. There you go.
And then you're gonna put the lid on the Instapot again. Put it under not venting. It builds the pressure. And then you're gonna change your Instapot to pressure cook. And in the pressure cook, you're gonna put 20 minutes. And it doesn't matter if you do it at high or low pressure. High pressure will cook it faster. So we'll come back once we got the 20 minutes. After the Instapot has finished cooking, it'll go into a mode where it's just keeping it warm. So if you want to have your soup now, you put a towel over the release valve and you turn it on and you let all the steam out. Once the steam has all come out, you can take off the towel and you can turn, and here is the finished product of the soup. You can move it around and it's ready to be eaten.